for up to 6 adults, the Peyton Spa offers lounge seating, total relaxation, and value. And as part of the 680 series, this classic hydrotherapy experience will make you feel good long after you leave the water. Various standard jets provide adjustable massage options, strategically placed along ergonomic seats that follow the body's natural form for therapy and comfort. And a simplified LED control panel, waterfall, and multicolored LED lighting make it easy to enjoy your spa. From lounge seating to diverse seating options, the mid-size Peyton model offers plenty of options for friends and family. In the lounge seat, melt your cares away from your back to your feet while relaxing in a reclined position. Even your wrists find respite with the only lounge seat in the collection to offer wrist therapy. Throughout the spa, seats in many sizes, configurations, and jet formations for the neck, back, and legs soothe muscles and release knots to renew your body every day, including a jetted seat that offers a less shallow soak while banishing strain in your back. And an asymmetric foot dome nestled into the side of the footwell gives feet a needed break while still making it easy to move around the spa. This model features traditional top-loading filtration with Clear Ray to simplify maintenance and help you focus on relaxation. Come and wet test the Peyton model today and feel for yourself why Sundance spa owners buy again and again. To learn more, visit your local authorized Sundance Spas dealer today.